Hello friends, welcome to Vanita Shree's kitchen. Today let's see how to make an amazing Punjab delicacy, Paneer Tikka Masala. First we have to marinate the paneer for making tikka. For that add 2 tablespoons of curd, 2 tablespoons of chickpea or besan flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and required amount of salt, and mix everything well. There should not be any lumps. The masala should be very smooth, and always use thick curd. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix the masala once again well into a smooth paste. I have used 200 grams of paneer which has been chopped into 1-inch cubes, and now add those paneer cubes into the masala and mix well until each paneer piece are nicely coated with the masala. Make sure that all the paneer chunks are coated well with the masala, and now refrigerate this for about 1 hour. Now we are going to dry roast 1 tablespoon of Kasuri methi in a pan. Kasuri methi is nothing but dried fenugreek leaves, which is a key herb used in North Indian cooking. This gives an unique and nice taste to the dish, but it is slightly bitter in taste, so don't use it in excess amount. Now we are going to make a paste for our masala. For this, in a pan add 3 to 4 small pieces of ginger, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 roughly chopped onions, and saute this till the onions are cooked well. You can adjust the quantity of the green chilies as per your spiciness, because already we are adding red chili powder. Also, you can replace red chili powder with Kashmiri red chili powder, which gives an excellent red color. When the onions are done, add 8 to 9 cashew nuts and fry them for about 1 minute. And allow the mixture to cool completely and grind it into a very smooth paste and keep it aside. Now we are going to fry the paneer. For that, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan and add the paneer cubes gently in the pan one by one. We have to roast the tikka until they become golden brown from beneath in a very low flame, because the paneer gets browned quickly. So keep the flame always low when you are frying the tikkas. You can grill the tikkas in the oven also. Fry both the sides of paneer until golden brown for about 2 to 3 minutes and remove it from the oil and keep it aside. Now we are going to prepare masala. For this, in the same pan, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and fry this for about 1 minute in the oil. Fry this in a medium flame. By frying the red chili powder in the oil gives a good aroma to the dish. Now it's time to add our ground paste which we have already prepared into the pan and give it a good stir. Stir continuously, otherwise the masala gets stick to the pan. Add half a cup of water to the masala and give this again a good mix. Now after giving a good mix, cover the pan with the lid and let this boil for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and add 1 cup of tomato puree into the masala and half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and give it a good stir until the masalas are combined well and the raw smell of the powders goes completely. Now add 1 cup of water and again cover the pan and let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. Now the masala is ready. It's time to add our fried paneer cubes into the masala and let this gravy boil for about 1 minute on a medium flame. Switch off the flame now and garnish our beautiful gravy with the crushed roasted kasuri methi leaves. Don't overcook the paneer, otherwise it will get hard and rubbery. That's it. Our delectable, magnificent, beautiful Punjab delicacy Paneer Tikka Masala is ready to serve. Please try this beautiful recipe at your home. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Anita Sri's Kitchen for more interesting recipes. Life is all about caring and sharing. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and bye-bye.